Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to update your rent on your Universal Credit account. This is really helpful because every April some rents go up, and if you don't update your housing costs, your Universal Credit might not cover the right amount. So if you've got a new to-do on your account that says report any changes to your housing costs, click that from your to-do list. The Jobs entry has added this automatically to collect any rent changes, so don't ignore it. So before you start, make sure you have your rent letter from your landlord with your new charges. And when it asks, has your rent changed? Choose yes if it has. Then it may ask, have your service charges changed? If you're unsure what they were before, it's safer to say yes because it will just ask you to enter them again. Next, enter your housing cost change. So for many people, this is Monday, the 6th of April 2020. After that, enter your new rent amount. Your letter might show it weekly, even if you normally think of it monthly. So just type it in the same way your letter shows, then enter your service charges. If your letter splits service charges into different parts, add them together and put the total. And finally, review the details, confirm everything is correct, and continue. You should see a message that says the change has been reported, and that's it. If you're not sure whether your rent has changed, you can log in and check your rent statements. You can also email hello@atabgroup.co.uk or call this number 0808 545 6800. So thank you so much for watching, and if you find this video helpful, hit the subscribe button for more videos like this.